Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Turn on your Xbox and sign into your Xbox profile first. Navigate to My Games and Apps, then to Apps to find YouTube. If you do not see YouTube, open the Microsoft Store and install the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app and choose Sign In on the left menu. The app will show an activation code and instructions to link your YouTube account. Keep the TV screen visible while you complete the next steps on another device. Open a browser on your phone or computer and go to YouTube.com/activate. Sign into the same Google account you want to link to your Xbox. Watch for the 6 to 8 character activation code on your TV screen. Enter the exact code into the Activate page field, then press Next. Confirm the permissions the YouTube app requests and select Allow to link your account. Wait a few seconds while the Xbox app return to the YouTube app on your Xbox and verify the linked account name in the left menu. Use the linked account to play uploads, manage subscriptions, and access your playlists on the big screen. You can cast from your phone and control playback with the Xbox controller or voice commands. To switch accounts, sign out from the YouTube app and repeat the activation process with another Google account. If you experience errors, restart the Xbox and try the activation step again to refresh the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.